Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 19th, 2022. Sandbox is going to trade below $1, and I'm going to show you all why just by looking at the price chart. I'm not here to confuse you because I understand that so many other people are out here giving y'all so much involved with information that it causes you to be confused as to where price is going to go. I'm one of these YouTubers out here that's only giving y'all content that is beneficial, that you don't need to make it complex, complicated. Do your due diligence. You just simply need to look at the price chart to understand what in the world is the majority of the people trying to do who are trading or investing in these cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to show you all from the price chart as to why Sandbox could be trading below $1. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to who is new to this channel. If y'all appreciate my videos, my content, go ahead and hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe, right? I want to enlarge this community to show everyone that you can predict prices. You can predict where prices are likely going to go so that we can win and be consistently winners. That's what we do. All right. So make sure you guys want to join the winning team. Now check this out. I didn't do a price prediction in Sandbox. The last time I done my video for Sandbox, I didn't do a video. That was on May the 10th. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you guys could go back and check it out once you get done looking at this one. Okay. May the 10th. Now, you guys can tell though what the market has done since then. We've broken a very important support area. That ascending line you guys see right now in front of you, we needed to see the buyers hold that level, and they didn't do it. Just like they did here in Sandbox right here, and they continue to maintain price above that ascending line, right? So I drew out that line because I wanted to serve as a reference point as to what we need to see happen. So I'm going to bring this arrow, closer right here to where we needed to see the buyers, right? And you guys can see on what day the buyers did not show up. And it was right here, May the 11th, 2022. The buyers were supposed to show up, but they didn't do it. Henceforth, while we are seeing the price going down, we broke the trend in Sandbox. The massive trend that started all the way back here since June of 2021. The buyers did not show up. That's one reason why we can see price in Sandbox trade below $1. I know you guys don't believe it. I know you guys may see that as a buying opportunity. All right, cool. But it doesn't negate the fact that buyers did not show up. So we're still weak. We're still in a downtrend in Sandbox. Just because of that alone, we need to follow that same premise that the market in Sandbox is still weak. And this weakness started all the way back since we hit market high of November last year. Like just last year in November, the market in Sandbox was at $8.45. Here we are today at $1.16. $1.16. 86% drop. And you still have people doing videos telling you come in and buy this cryptocurrency, when I'm one of the ones telling you that it could go below $1. And it may trade below $1 for a long time. So let me go ahead and get rid of this ascending line, because now we know that buyers didn't show up. There's no need for us to continue to look forward to the market in Sandbox trying to go up. We're in this downtrend. This downtrend line is still in play though. This is the lid. This is the ceiling to where even if we do see market buyers come in, we got areas $1.50 to this descending line to bring price right back down. Until we see buyers break this downtrend line, we're going to continue to lean more towards being sellers, being bearish, expecting price to go down. Okay. Now look at this. This is where the dollar area is. We need to see buyers, just like back in 2021, we need to see them hold line, right? We need to see buyers show up, and it's right there at $1. So we're at $1.16 right now. We can still see price fall to $1, right? And buyers will show up again like they did here on May the 12th. They could come back in again and buy up this currency to hold support. That is where we'll have to cut the play, right? Now, let's say that they don't show up at $1. Okay, where would be the next level for us to try to pinpoint where we can see the market in Sandbox go towards, right? Where would be the next area? Okay, let's try to see. If it's not $1, where's that next level? Okay, that next level that I'm seeing is right around 85 cents. Okay, I like 85 cents outside of $1. And then my next level will be around 60 cents. So we got $1, 85 cents, and then 60 cents. All three price targets that we can expect the price in Sandbox to try to fall below. Now, as we stair step down, right, we're going to be taking profitability on the way down. We're not going to wait until we hit 60 cents. Because we can still see buyers show up at $1. Buyers can show up at 85 cents. And then if they don't show up at those two locations, then yeah, 60 cents. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you all what we have right here on the 5 weekly chart. Okay. 3 more days and 13 hours. And look how we look right here. Scary. Massively scary. When price falls, it falls hard. And we haven't seen indication that buyers are now in the market in Sandbox. Okay. So let me go ahead and drop this price prediction real quick. Still looking for the market to go down. All right. Our first price target, you guys can remember, was $1. That will give us 13, almost 14% win. We can win 13, almost 14% right there. Just to let the market in Sandbox fall to $1. Okay. The second level was at 85 cents. That gets us 27%. Remember that? That's my second price target. Third is 60. That's another, okay, another 48.25% drop from where price is right now. 60 cents. Just a year ago, less than a year ago, we was at $8.50. It's amazing. Just amazing. All right, so check this out. We're going to look for the price in Sandbox to continue to dip. Let me reiterate what I told you all in regards to price target. First one is $1. Second one is 85 cents. Then the third one is 60. Okay. On either of these other two price levels, $1. If we see buyers come in at $1, we're taking the whole profit and we're leaving. We're becoming buyers if we see buyers coming at $1. If they don't show up at $1, let's say that they show up at 85 cents, we're taking a playoff. And then we're becoming buyers. If they don't show up at 85 cents, then we're going to look towards 60. All right, that's the play. Now, I'm done. It's your turn. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me where do you all suspect the price in Sandbox going as we run into the month of June. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.